You're gonna take it and then just flip it in there. It's heavy. I think there's potatoes.
Oh, God. Potatoes. Cool.
Okay. What kind are these?
We still can't forget about the little ones.
Yeah,
No.
the little ones are delicious. What do you think?
One more scan. Wait,
One
I gotta
more,
break
yep.
this.
Yep, that's right.
Okay. I think that's
It.
I think
all of
that's
them.
it. Okay, so that was the warm-up. That's pretty good for a warm-up. I like it.
Oh, wait.
Good eye.
Well done.
I miss those all the time. It's Lanny bees. And we added worm casts, homemade compost, and what does that say?
A sprinkle of something.
GC.
Golf course?
Okay, so I'm gonna flip this back in there, but it makes a lot of dust, so maybe just stand back a bit.
It's a nuclear bomb. Oh God,
Do you see some?
Yeah.
Hold on, you guys can sleep. Okay.
Oh, give me this worm. There's a worm.
Look at the worms. Oh, look at them all. There's another one
They look so
Okay, I'll get
for
it.
each hand. Yeah, we need a worm container.
There's so much.
Wormies. Look at them all.
Whoa, look at this.
Oh, okay, yeah,
one.
yeah.
Even look. Holy smokes.
Oh, look at them all.
There's potatoes in there too. I'm
Yeah,
just.
they're more.
Big potatoes.
We like the worms more than the
I
potatoes.
see that. I see what's happening right now.
Yep. It's great that you guys
You
aren't
have-
asking me too many gardening questions because I don't know the answer to most of them. So.
This bucket's gonna over.
So you know the cool thing about this stuff, guys?
What?
See the stuff that it grew in?
Yeah.
It was basically everything that you see back there.
Cool.
So we just threw it in a bin, and over a period of time, it all, what did it do? It all composted down into the soil. Are you guys gonna have potatoes tonight?
Oh yeah, potatoes are the best. Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh!
Wait, there's one right here.
Oh, good eye.
It's gonna overflow.
Okay.
Yep, I think that's more. It's gonna over.
Oh, oh!
Oh jeez. Oh my.
Ooh,
There's so many.
those are probably really good.
Dig right in there. Look!
It's a race.
Oh, huge worm.
You got a worm bucket if you want to, but you can leave them in.
Little dude.
Okay.
Wow.
You think that's it?
My favorite hoodie getting destroyed.
Oh.
Here's one.
Okay. Look at, yeah, it's not even close.
I bet there's like still 5 more.
5 more?
Oh, here's another worm. Okay, that's.
Okay, here.
And oh. Down.
There we go.
Oh, I call it.
Ooh. He takes the glove off and all of a sudden. So that's like 6 more already. Here, let me get my.
I see a baby.
Here.
Oh, that is not a baby. Oh, look at them all. You guys are hilarious. Okay. Oh,
That's
look
a
at the
big worm.
size of that guy.
So big.
Oh. Okay.
A lot of potatoes, a lot of worms.
Yeah,
I think we should empty this. Oh,
Oh. Oh. Potato death match here. Oh, I see the smallest one ever.
Here.
Yep.
Wow.
Do you
I don't
guys
know.
want to do one
you guys
more?
want to do one more?
Okay. Okay, so this one's Babette in the garden. Okay, now this one I'm gonna have to flip as well.
And we're
Whoa! Yeah, you guys hold on to that. What do we got on this one? Bone meal, bulb food, 444, grass clippings. So, oh, I don't think there's any potatoes in this one. Oh, please, please.
I'll just put my foot here.
Okay.
Oh!
Hey, whoa, back. Okay, hold on. How many do you think are in here?
1,000.
Right. You guys don't seem that interested in gardening. It's weird. You know? Okay. Oh! Okay, hold on. Whoa! Or it's nice and easy.
Oh!
Where did you put the
Potatoes, your brother got this one here. So why don't we put potatoes here? Here,
Oh my! King potato.
That's a pretty big one.
Wait. Oh my god.
Ethan's just all about potatoes.
Ethan, I can't even get one.
Okay, hey, Ethan, you come over on. Hey, I know what we're gonna do. Ethan, you stand here.
Oh, good
In
idea.
between there.
Mm.
Now you're getting wrangled. Okay.
Here's one.
Worm.
This is like Easter egg hunting.
You guys are a good team. Annabelle's all about the worms. You're all about the potato. Wow, it looks like it's all about potatoes now. Gardening was a contact sport. Okay, but that's fine. Okay, nice one. Okay. Okay, I think we're out of potatoes, right? You guys think
No.
it's over? Oh,
Oh
no.
no. Oh!
Look at. Oh.
I almost put it in the worm.
Oh yeah, no more potatoes now for sure, right?
Nope. That is so not true. I bet I'll find one in 5 seconds.
You just covered a worm.
I think there's like probably lots.
Oh
more.
my! Oh, it's a
Look,
heart.
It's a heart potato.
It's a heart.
Oh, look at
Potato
that.
heart.
Cool.
It's special. Dig your hands in there.
It means to get 1,000 likes.
Oh,
You put a worm in the potato
you did put a
bin.
word. That's okay though. That's fine. Okay, so you guys got to stamp truce here. Truce.
What?
As it, you gotta. Okay, let's see.
Whoa.
Oh, okay, that's right. Oh,
Woo.
you got. Oh my. You say potato, I say potato. Oh!
Oh!
I just say, oh! Oh, there was I think there was another one in there somewhere. Maybe not.
I want to do another potato.
We can also do another potato.
You guys want to do another potato?
No. My back.
You're back!
My back. I have back problems. No, I'm getting old.
I want it.
Oh, you're back though. You're getting old, Ethan. Yeah.
I can do it.
Okay.
Is that potatoes?
Jennifer. So this is, what is this? Is that,
I want to pull it.
hold on,
I don't
hold
know.
on, hold on. I might want to plant them though. I think this is what's called a foxglove. What we're gonna do.
Potato.
Oh, no potato. There's no.
Yeah.
I want to flip it. I think
Oh.
That guy can grow. Okay,
I also sell a potato.
okay, and then.
Okay.
Oh,
We need a bucket.
Okay, hold on. That stays there.
I think we need.
You know what we need? We need buckets with holes in the bottom.
Get on the other side.
There's one.
Yeah.
That'll work.
I'm gonna Kobe it.
Come on. Okay.
Whoa.
Wait. First, we have to admire this piece of art.
Where's the bucket?
It's right here.
That was
Oh,
quick.
bucket this time.
That was a baby one.
Whoa. That is
Ethan, look how small
tiny.
this one.
teeny tiny.
Tiny. Thank you. Hey.
Hey, it was teamwork. Teamwork. Okay, you guys want to do one more bucket?
Because that one was a bit of a.
Okay, let me see here.
And there's still potatoes.
Potato.
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 Oh, there's potatoes.
Teeny tiny, delicious potatoes everywhere.
Where's the bucket?
Oh, right here.
Oh.
Okay, nice, nice. So, okay, this is gonna be dusty.
I don't know what's in there. Could be a bunch of nothing.
See, these are pretty cool. They have little. Oh, it's Jennifer.
Wow.
Who knew?
Yeah.
Oh.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. This might be underwhelming. So far.
Potato.
Oh, potato.
Potato.
Bucket.
Oh, they're super clean though. Okay, that's it. Oh, no.
Throw it in.
Okay. Okay, what do you guys think?
Great.
Pretty good haul, eh?
Yeah.
Do you guys like gardening?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's
Nice.
amazing.
Nice. So we have a little surprise at the end of the video where you guys actually, with your parents, went out and bought something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Should we show them what you guys did?
Yes.
Cool. Cool. All right.
Hands dirty, everybody.
You guys say stay awesome? Can we do this?
Awesome.
Stay awesome?
Stay awesome.
Cool.
Cool.
Awesome.
Awesome.
What happened here, hon?
I don't know, but it happened really fast and it was really fun.
Stay awesome, guys.
Stay awesome.
Thank you, Ethan. Thank you, Annabelle.
Yeah.
Can I hold them?
Sure.
Can I hold him after you, Ethan?
Your mom did.
Ethan, can I hold it? Ethan, can I hold it?
Smells like. He smells so cool.
They're a bit funky, for sure.
Can I kiss him?
Is
No.
he
Oh, I don't know about that.
No.